Then Jesus said, whoever gives candle to little children, a grinding stone has to be tied to that person's neck and he should be thrown in the sea. For Jesus, no bad example should be given to little children. And we know what is happening all over the world to little children. Even small little children are not spared. There is so much of abuse goes on with the little children. They are innocent. They don't know what is happening to them. And we adults look at children as if they know nothing. Oh, what do they know? We know everything. Is it true? No. Children know many things as per their age and experience. Khalil Gibran was a 19th and earlier 20th century writer from Lebanon and from America. He has written in classical Arabic a book called Al-Rusul, which has been translated into so many languages of the world, and in English it is called The Prophet. In that book, The Prophet, there is a chapter on children. Let me tell you in my own words his thoughts. He tells the parents, your children are not your children. Your children are not your children. They came from you, but they don't belong to you. They belong to the Creator.